You're welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you a brand new method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing. This is a very simple method that you can use, but you need to invest at least $10 so that this method will work for you. This method is not free, but it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method that I'm about to show you to make money from home. If you want to know more details about this method that I'm about to show you, kindly keep on watching till the end. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote offers on this platform so that we can make money. The name of this platform is CPAGRIP. This is an affiliate marketing platform that you can get offers to promote. The difference between this website and other websites is that this website pays you per lead. So if you get a lead to a particular offer, you are going to be paid. Some offers you are going to earn up to $2 per lead. Some you can get up to $3. Some you can get $5, $13, $10. So it depends on the offer that you are promoting. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to show you offers that you can get higher payout if you get a lead. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here. Once you are here, click on offer tools. So once you click on offer tools, select my offers. So once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So as I scroll down, you can see different offers that you can promote. CPA offers, they are country specific. So all of these offers that you are seeing on your screen, I have to promote it to people in my country. I don't have to promote to anyone outside my country. As you can see, the payout is low in my country. You can see all of these offers, the payout is low. So what you have to do is that you have to always search for tier 1 countries so that you can get offers that you can earn higher payout if you get a lead. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Canada, for example. You can search for United States, but on this video I'm going to show you a product in Canada that you can use to make a lot of money. So you just search for Canada, click on that. Once you search for Canada, you are going to find a lot of products here to promote. You can see it has finished loading. So as I scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote. You can see this one right here, the payout is $13.69. As I scroll, you can see this one, $20.67. You can see $12.19, $12.19, $16.26. So as I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. So what you need to take note of is that you have to check the requirements. So you can see this one, the offer is allowed on all mobile devices, but the customers have to enter their credit card details before you can earn $12.19. But it is always difficult to get people to enter their credit card details online because most of the people are afraid of fraud. So what you are going to do is that you are going to look for offers that only require email and zip submit or pin submit. So as you can see this one right here, pin submit. So the customers have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can receive the offer, and you are going to earn $13.69. As you can see this offer here, mobile install. So the people have to install a mobile app onto their phones so that you can earn 0.25 cents. But it is sometimes difficult to get people to install apps on their phone which they don't like. So you might find it difficult getting people to install the mobile app so that you can earn the money. So what I want you to do is that just select offers that require only email and zip submit or pin submit so that you can get a lot of people to sign up for the offers and you are going to get paid. So we are going to be using this offer on this video. You can see the payout is $13.69. So that is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. So the audience have to submit their phone number and you are going to be paid right away. You don't need to sell anything. So that is just what you need to do to get paid. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote this offer. If you want to promote an offer, what you need to do is that just click on the offer so that you can get other details of the offer. You can see this is the title of the offer, get your fitness plan now. Enter your mobile number now to get started. So they have to just enter the mobile number and you are going to be paid the commission right here. As you can see, $13.69. And you can see that the offer is only allowed on mobile devices and it's allowed in only Canada. As I said earlier on, CPA offers are country specific, so you need to take note of that before you promote the product. As you can see this right here, this is our affiliate link. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find the traffic source so that we can promote this offer to people in Canada, and then if you get people to enter their mobile numbers, we can get paid. So I'm going to show a cheap traffic source that you can use to promote this offer, and you are going to be getting leads every day. So the traffic source that we are going to be using today is AdCash. This is a platform that allows you to advertise your products at a lower cost. So you are going to be promoting the offer on this platform at a low cost so that you can make a lot of profit, because CPA offers, the payout is low. So if you choose a platform that will charge you a lot of money per every click that you get, you are not going to be making profit. So this website is very suitable if you want to promote CPA offers. So what I want you to do is that just click on create now so that you can create your accounts. But I already have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to promote the product here, and you are going to be getting a lot of leads so that you can earn money on CPAGRIP. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So if you are new, you are going to see something like create campaign. So you can just start creating your campaign right away. But because I've used the platform, that is why you are seeing this. So once you log into your accounts, you are going to create your campaign. So to create your campaign, just come here, click create a campaign so that you can begin creating your campaign. So just click here, right here. Once you click on create a campaign, you are going to see a page like this. You can see express campaign and advanced campaign. So what I want you to do is that just click on create a campaign right here, create an express campaign. Don't select this one because as a beginner you don't need to select this option. So just select express campaign so that you can create your campaign on this platform. So just click here, create a campaign so that you can get started. Once you click on create a campaign, you are going to see a page like this. So if you want pop under campaigns, you are going to select that. If you want this one right here, interstitial campaigns, you can run that, and you can also run native ads, banners, you can run that. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to run in-page push campaigns. So this is what is suitable for CPA offers. So just select this option so that you can run your ad. So what you want to do is that just click right here so that you can begin creating your ad. Click right here. So once you click on that, you have to give a name to your campaign. So here you are going to give a name. So here I'm going to use the product name fitness plan. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are going to enter the URL. So that is your affiliate link. So you have to go back to CPAGRIP so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, just click here to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to send it back to your ad so that you can paste it right here. So here you are going to paste your affiliate link. So as you can see, that has been done. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down so that you can continue with the details. You can see that the product that you are promoting is not allowed on desktop, it's only allowed on mobile devices, all mobile devices. So what you need to do is that you have to uncheck this option. So once that is done, you can see our potential impression is now reduced to 1.something million, as you can see it right here. So you have to scroll down and continue with the rest of the details. So now you can see select location. So we want to select a location where we want our ad to be displayed, and you know the offer is only allowed in Canada. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Canada right here. So let's search for Canada. So as you can see Canada, you are going to select Canada as a country. So just select that. Once you select that, you can see your potential impression right here. So once that is done, you are going to give a title to your ad. So that is the name of the product. You can just go and copy it. Here you are also going to write a description for your ad. So you are going to go back to CPAGRIP so that we can copy the title of the product and the description. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, just copy the title of the offer right here. So copy it. Once you copy the title, you are going to bring it back to your ad and then paste it right here. Just paste it here. The next thing is the description. So we are going to go back, and you can see that this is the description of the offer. So once you copy your description, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see that the number is too much, so let's delete some of the text. So delete it up to this point. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down, and the next thing is that you are going to upload the image of the offer. So what you need to do is that you have to go back to CPAGRIP so that you can copy the image of the offer. Alright, so once you come back to CPAGRIP, you can see the image right here. So just right click and then select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once that is done, you are going to come back to your ad, and here you are going to click on browse so that you can upload the image of the product. So the image right here. So once you select the image, just click on open, and you can see that the image has been uploaded right here. this is the preview of your ad. So this is how the ad is going to appear on mobile devices. So let's scroll down to continue the rest of the details. Now you can see the targeting, you can see supply sources. So all this, you can see web categories and a whole lot. Just don't touch any of these and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select your cost per click, or if you want CPM, that is cost per 1,000 impressions. So if you want impression, you are going to select that. If you want cost per click, you are going to select that. And you can see this is the average cost per click that people are using on this platform. So you can either go with the flow or you can select your own cost per click. So I'm going to enter my own cost per click. So right here, I'm going to enter 0.0034. So with this amount, I'm going to pay less than $10 per 200 clicks, so I can make profit with the offer that I'm promoting. If you want, you can also go with the float, but I advise that you use your own cost per click. So once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then enter your daily budget. So you can see the budget right here. So you are going to enter the daily budget. How much are you willing to pay per day? So here you can enter $10. So that is the minimum daily budget. So as you can see, once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want to schedule your campaign, you can do that, but we don't want to do that. So once that is done, you can see limit the number of impressions for each zone per 24 hours. If you want that, you can also enter it here, but I'm not going to do that. So once everything is ready, the next thing is that you are going to scroll upwards, and then here you are going to save the ad creative. So here you are going to click on save creative. Just click on that so that you can save it. Once you click on save creative, you can see it has been saved here. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down and then submit your ad. So just scroll down and then click here submit campaign, so that your campaign will be submitted onto this platform. You can see congratulations, campaign has successfully created. It is now being validated by our team. So they are going to validate it. Once it meets their requirements, your ad is going to start running on the platform, so that you can begin making money with CPA offers. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.